Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying Ride here. So first test with the Panda mic, thanks to Holy Shift on his recent video for his recommendation. Decided to give this mic a try, and also special mention to Cycle Fanatics. He had done a review on the helmet that I purchased, as well as the chin mount that I ordered for my GoPro 9. So give them both a follow, Cycle Fanatics and Holy Shift. So let's give it a try. I'm testing both the sound as well as the view that you see here. I had to use an extension for the chin mount so I can raise the GoPro maybe a little bit higher than it normally would. For some reason I was catching too much of the fairing. Leave your comments down below and let me know your thoughts on the view as well as the sound. It's a cold start, so we'll give it a minute before we go for a quick ride just to test it out. It's about 34 degrees, Middletown, New Jersey, Monmouth County. Beautiful day out. Let's roll. So it's very windy today, so this will be a really good test of how it sounds and how it picks up the sound, both of the bike and how it minimizes the noise. Doing about 55 now. Gotta hit the throttle under the overpass. We'll be interested to see the difference both in my voice as well as capturing the sound of the bike and of course minimizing the wind noise. I definitely got to install the pin lock because I'm getting fog still. Even after I installed that breath cuff. If you haven't seen that, check out the channel. I just posted that yesterday. The unboxing of the Shoei X14. Hey, that's my truck. I'll admit, this dead cat, I think it's called, is literally touching my lips at all times. So I've got to figure out a way if I could change the position, maybe lower it a little bit, because it's itchy. And for longer rides, you want to be comfortable. Nice ride. Go ahead, buddy. Man, it's windy. This heated grips, they rock. Especially for these cold temperatures. Highly recommend them if you don't have them. I don't know if you could notice, they treated the roads. We've got snow coming this weekend potentially, so I think they started treating early. Let me turn up here. Man, the bike just runs great on these temperatures. Just close the visor. It's interesting because my voice echoes inside my helmet. Just sounds odd. Again, we'll check it out afterwards. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you've never ridden down this way, so this is exit 114 off the Parkway South. Gets you into the Homedale, Middletown area. Again, Monmouth County. Some great country riding back here, as you can see. And also you can head to the shore points. Sandy Hook, which I've posted before. You can check it out. It's on the videos on my channel. It's about 15 minutes from here. And there's some great back roads. Take you on a nice scenic route to get there. Some nice twisties. And then of course you got the Sandy Hook Park, which is just beautiful. You can tell from the signs. Very windy. So again, this is a short ride. Just testing out the helmet, the new mic, and the angle of the GoPro mount. I'm actually going to lower this a little bit here and see how that looks. Let me tell you, just wearing a full face helmet in these cold temperatures makes a world of a difference. I know I'm stating the obvious, but man, I don't feel any cold. And I'm not even wearing any headgear, just wearing the helmet. So this road I'm on, it's Middletown Lincroft Road. And right here on both sides, there's an equestrian center right here, open to the public. I'm not sure with the pandemic if it's open, but typically it is. It's got a walking path over here. It's called Sunnyside Park. Monmouth County is known for its park. If I'm not mistaken, it's got the most parks out of any county in New Jersey. I have to fact check that, or maybe one of you in the comments can fact check that. If it's not the most, it's certainly up there with one of the counties that has the most. Underpass. Man, that sounds good. Clearly, these cars don't realize I am making a YouTube video for all of you and are getting in the way. But we're almost home. Oh man, I forgot to close my garage. Of course, that means all the heat I have in there is gone. Alright, so here's what I think about my first experience today with the helmet and the mic. I think the helmet is great. It absolutely stops all the cold from coming in. It feels super comfortable, nice and snug, and super light. I mean, it feels awesome. I think completely worth the price tag. I know it's high, but completely worth the price tag on the helmet. On the Panda mic, it sounds awesome when we're not hearing the static. So I've got to figure out what the issue is with the static, and I think once I figure that out, then I think I'm going to get the sound just right. But again, leave me your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on the sound, and if you have any recommendations on how I can reduce that static, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, I think the view looks good, but I think I could lower the camera a bit and capture a little bit more while still giving you what I see with my eyes. So again, leave your comments below. Let me know if I should lower the camera, change the view. I'm shooting 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm going to make some adjustments to the mic and see if I can figure out the static. And then we'll do some, I've got some upcoming ride videos that I'm going to share and post. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon so that you can be reminded of any future videos that I upload to the channel. Thanks for watching.